In today's episode, let's check out Cycle brand's Rhythm Saroja. Namaste everyone and welcome to Om Incense Show with DJ, a show that helps you increase your incense quotient. So if you are an incense enthusiast, consider subscribing. Before we go ahead, just a gentle reminder of this Meri Pratham Sanskrit Pustika, a Sanskrit alphabet book for kids, link in description. If you're new to the episode here, I'd just like you to know that in these kind of episodes, we first check out the packaging of the incense, then we check out the fragrance of it, then we talk a little bit about the incense industry or the incense world, and then we have a quiz, so you might want to stay here till the end. We have Rhythm Saroja here today, and it's come in a hexagonal box. It's like that. It's come like that, and it's all black, and it has nice illustrations of flowers and wood and stuff, so you can see that. See, those nice designs are there. In the front, what we have is the Cycle brand logo. Then we have Rhythm Saroja, and Rhythm is registered, so it has that R in a circle there on top of Rhythm M, and so it's Rhythm Saroja. And we have illustrations of some kind of wood and flower and some kind of white flower. So this is rose and this probably is jasmine. So that is what we have. And it says every agarbatti is a mesmerizing blend of sandal, rose and jasmine. Okay, so this is sandal, rose and jasmine. That's what they've tried to show. This is what we have. And at the base of the box we have a Bharatnatyam dancer in various postures. That's, you can see the three postures that which they've shown here. So to show rhythm, I guess. Then on the back side again we have Cycle brand logo, symbol of quality, Rhythm Saroja, and it says your prayers can heal the world. When you pray with Cycle, you choose a better future for the planet and all its beings. Every product from Cycle makes a difference. Every prayer counts. Thank you for choosing Cycle. And then they have a range of logos. So we have exported to 65 countries, carbon neutral certified, ethical practices, recyclable packaging, 3 generations in fragrance creation, plants sacred native trees, purest ingredients, best global practices, international fragrance standards, 14 quality checks, only safe materials used, GRAS, empowering women since 1948, and then it says copyright protected, all rights reserved. So these are the logos that they have here. Then we have name of the incense written in various Indian languages, and it has the caution written there. Then we have NR Rangarao logo, the addresses we have, and the content says handcrafted agarbattis. This is 14 grams for 10 rupees. And then we have a scanning code, cycle.in the URL, and then a barcode. So that's what we have. One thing good about Cycle brand is, you can go online and buy, individual packs. I went to some other sites and I could not find single packs. You had to buy in bulk, and I'm not somebody who likes to buy in bulk unless and until I'm sure. Like now for Golok incense, the Golok Nag Champa incense, I'm going to buy that in bulk because I know that I'll be using it, but I'll be using the cones. But anyway, so we have an option of buying in bulk or retail on Cycle, and that's a good thing. So that's the reason I like to shop online with Cycle, because you have an option of choosing the retail packs. And on the other side we have Saroja for 10 rupees, and then the same thing on the other side as well. So this is, you see this is what we have. Now when you open the pack, what we have is the same carton, a rounded carton which covers the entire pack, the internal pack. We have it like that, and we have the incenses packed in a plain pouch, and it has Cycle Pure Agarbatti logo on it. So this is what we have. This is what we have, right? And so this is 14 grams of incense, and this is a simple black incense, which the bamboo core is yellow. It's rounded, smooth and sturdy, just like that. And you can see it's a black incense. I can smell jasmine on this. You do get a nice fragrance of jasmine on this. The jasmine which is very true to nature, that kind of jasmine you get in this. At least I can smell that jasmine, and I can smell that greenery of jasmine in this. So this is what we have. Let's light up the incense and see what the fragrance is like. The cherry. That nice fragrance of burnt wood.
I also want to smell in cold.
That green jasmine smell that we had in the cold incense is still there. That sweetness of rose also is there. And you do get that base of sandalwood. It's a nice woody floral fragrance with a nice sweetness to it. So if you like that kind of fragrance which is like not very sweet, but it has that nice kind of sweetness to it, that undertone, that overall rounded feeling of it is quite sweet. It has that overall rounded sweet feeling to it. So that feeling is there, that sweetness is there, and you do get the fragrance of you do get whiff of jasmine a lot in this. There's a sandal undertone and the rose at heart. If you like floral kind of fragrance, you like this. And if you do not like very strong sandalwood, but a fragrance that has an undertone of sandalwood, that has a base of sandalwood, you like this. So that's Rhythm Saroja for you. And like every other cycle incense, this also is quite affordable and nice. And that thing that most incense makers play about helping women is also there. So we have all of that here in Cycle Saroja. There. So we have now in my last quiz I'd asked you what is Noorwa powder. So if you're associated with the incense industry, or if you are an incense enthusiast, you would know that Noorwa powder is the base of masala agarbattis, and it consists of various things like the resins, the wood, the bark, the roots, the flower, the tree, the seeds, the fruit, all of these. So and each Noorwa powder is a very secret mixture. The formula of Noorwa powder is not something that people share with each other, and it's kept secret because it's quite, the ratio of what product is used inside the thing, inside that powder, is what is important. So not everybody shares this. And Noorwa powder is the base of a masala agarbatti. So we have Noorwa powder, to which we add maida lakdi, jigat powder, charcoal, and fragrances and other products that you want, other chemicals or other powders that you want, like yara powder or musk ambret or something, anything that the kind of fragrance that you want to create, you add that to it, and then you make the masala batti. So that's how you make the masala batti. So that is Noorwa powder. I have 4 incenses here because I want to complete the Cycle brand incense reviews. So we have Good Luck Kasturi, we have Good Luck Mogra, Rhythm Amber and Sandal Cones. So these are the 4 incenses I have with me. Please let me know which is the next incense that you want me to review here. So today's quiz is, what is the purpose of potassium nitrate in an incense mixture? That's the question for today. So if you think somebody can learn something from this, share it with them. If you liked it, give it a like. If you have any queries or comments, just write it in the comment section below. Check out the description for the link of this incense and other products. And that's all for the episode today. Till we meet again next, take very good care of yourself. Namaste.
Namaste.